Okay, go ahead.
I'm just somewhere. I got this pretty hair and I have a patch. I know I'm not a princess. I just look like a beauty. I just need a patch. No, I not need it for many years. No, I need it for when I need how I get to go
7.
when I'm 7. I mean, no, I love Daddy because Mom, can we send this to Daddy?
Yes.
We can send it to Daddy this video and what's the what grandma is the auntie aunt?
What?
There's a girl there's a girl lives in my family, but not. It's aunt, but it's a auntie.
Aunt Sarah?
Yeah.
Aunt Sarah?
Yeah.
We can show Aunt Sarah.
No, how about Uncle Josh?
Uncle Josh? Oh, are you talking about Aunt Maddie?
Yeah.
There's Aunt Sarah and Aunt Maddie and Aunt Des and Aunt Leslie. What?
You like it?
It's so beautiful. You want to turn so they can see it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, you can turn. So pretty. You look so beautiful today.
So, Mama is watching me, and Mom, can you turn this thing to the camera and it has arrows around it? Can you show herself?
Okay. Hi, there's Mommy. How's it going? My hair got done too. Sephora's looks prettier. All right, say goodbye.
That was a joke. Goodbye.